Fat grafting for lip enhancement. How the procedure is done. Fat is harvested from the tummy area. It is then purified to ensure a natural-looking enhancement. The purified fat is transferred into a syringe. Finally, it is carefully injected into the lips to enhance volume and shape. Now, let's look at this procedure as performed by Dr. Sandeep Bhasin.
Hello friends, today we are going to do a surgery where we are going to do fat grafting for asymmetrical lips. This patient has lips which are not symmetrical. The left lip is little bigger as compared to the right lips. So we'll be using fat grafting to reshape the lips. So this is the patient now. We can see the two sides of the lips are not equal. We are putting our fat grafting on the right lip and philtrum, and in the scar it is on the lower side of the nose. Now we have prepared the stem cells from the fat, and this is called SVC, stromal vascular factor. This lower layer, it has stem cells. We will be injecting it in the lips.
The picture on the right shows the on-table result after fat grafting surgery. You can clearly notice the difference. After surgery, lip appears perfectly shaped.
For further information, please contact us as mentioned below. Thank you.